rice going. We got a special guest here in the house today. Shy, what you got to say?
Guys. I don't know.
Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody, my future self.
All right. And we got some, the mix for that's going to go into the rice, which is rice wine vinegar and sugar. A combination to make the sticky rice. That's what you need. Yeah, we're going to be prepping up all our nice little veggies. They're going to be good. We'll be back.
And end your reign of terror, my stuff.
I'm gonna need you those vermicelli noodles, and then we're gonna do our assembly. But Pepe, I need you to be in charge of making the peanut sauce.
All right, I'm going to make some peanut sauce right now. Shy just made some rice wine vinegar sushi rice, sweetened sushi rice with sugar. We're gonna make sushi rolls, and then we're also gonna make spring rolls, both. So right now I'm gonna make the peanut butter sauce, and is it tasting good? So tell us what you did and how you did it.
So, this little rice right here. Fabuloso. Okay. It tastes like sugar. Sugar, but tastes like garlic sugar. Kind of weird, but it tastes good. It's pretty cool, pretty good.
And you work together instead of against each other, you might have been successful.
So here, you show this is what it was. Some of this and some of
Some rice vinegar.
sugar and show them on the camera.
This is the rice vinegar that we use.
Enemy opposition coming up, sir.
Sticky right there. I don't know why. You still have it on?
Yeah, it's still on.
Delicious peanut butter. Soy sauce.
What is it that we're making? Oh, there are ingredients.
We're taking so for that the ingredients are what I just showed you. And we're gonna make peanut butter sauce. So it is actually 6:59 p.m.
So here's Shy making the sriracha sauce for the spicy roll. Our little secret ingredients. Looks good now, son.
Make sure the water comes off of it.
Let it drip.
Yeah, so you could even just a little bit. It's okay if it has some water. Okay, now go ahead and put it down there. So next I'm going to give you some noodles on there, and then you're going to put in, yeah, give you little bit more, and then you could add carrots,
Okay.
but you don't want to overstuff it.
Okay.
So go ahead. Probably good. And then cucumber.
You might just want one cucumber, because that's kind of big. That's too many.
Yeah, there you go. Well, just one little more piece.
But you want to put those out on the edge because you don't want everything in the middle because it's got to be kind of long. Remember?
Yeah.
No, wait. So you put like one like over here and then one like over here. And then push it over towards that side because you don't want everything. You still got to roll it.
I know. So then.
Yeah, you're good.
No.
So right now you're good. So you want to tuck it. Here, I'm going to do one too so you can see it right.
Yeah, there you go. Put your fingers back there. Okay. Now roll it just, okay, stop right there. It's got to kind of be tight. No, it's all right that it's folded. It's all right that it's touching. See, it gets sticky, Ray.
Okay, so then I put the shrimp.
Split in half. And you put 1, 2,
Oh, on top of it.
Yeah, because you're going to roll it over again.
3, 4. You don't have to cut it like that. Like, see how, like, this is half right there. That's
Oh.
good.
It's already cut.
That's okay.
Okay.
And then next we're going to kind
Put
of...
that one there. Yeah, well, man, that's going to be a
You're
shrimpy
gonna
one.
Fold your ends in over that.
Fold it kind of over the shrimp. Try to, okay, right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now roll it. Close it up so that,
Wait. Let's, oh, that might not be able to spread. It's stuck. Okay, well, you're going to roll it in.
okay, it's kind of going to fall apart, but it's still a beginning. You're still, remember when I told you keep it tight inside, keep everything in there because you need a lot of room to close it?
That's right. Your next one will probably be even better.
But it's all right. You're still going to eat it like that.
Yeah. Still
Here's
food.
the other one
Just
drying
you need to
her.
moisten this some more.
Yeah. Mm-mm-mm.
I fixed it a little bit, or sort of.
We're going to leave it just right up to there.
Oh yeah, for all the cucumber and.
The idea is not to put too much rice in there.
Okay, so start spreading it, but
Okay.
smashing it together. And you might have to add a little bit more on there too. Fix it, even it out.
It's even now.
There you go.
I tell you, that's how they save money.
How?
They cut these delicious prawns in half.
Do you want avocado in yours?
Yes, please.
Okay. And then this is gonna go on the side in yours, but we'll keep it on the side for right now.
That's enough smashing, son.
Okay.
So I think
You're gonna kill it.
Put this right here.
You're gonna kill that poor rice. It's gonna suffer when we bite it.
Okay, so you're gonna kind of
Spread it.
actually let me get it for you.
Oh man,
That's part of the tomato soup.
man, that looks good.
Okay.
Can I just eat it like that?
Go ahead and arrange your things. Your
No, right next to the avocado.
See how look how mine is right here.
Oh, also like.
Yeah, because you're still gonna roll it, remember?
And then you're gonna grab whatever toppings you want in here.
Just one of each though, like
Or two of
because it's got to stretch across.
Yeah, you don't want to do it too fat. You don't have to put jalapenos, but I'm gonna put jalapenos on mine. Okay, this is gonna be a new process for me too.
Okay.
So hold
Here.
on, let me try this out because I might not even be able to
Let's break this
get it right.
in half and put another one on this side too, so that it goes all the way across.
This is challenging right here.
They're just so fat.
We're gonna slice them.
Dang.
Okay. I might. Shy, I think I might have to help roll yours because it's kind of hard. And if you want to try it, you're more than you could try it if you want. But it's pretty tough. So. Let me see if you go in the fridge. Want me to do it?
Okay, come over here. Come over here. At least you can watch. Shy. Go all the way over and then push back with that. Roll that back, yes.
Okay, so I think
See how loose it is? It's got to be really, really tight.
And it'll get tight after this. We're going to refrigerate it so it's set.
Damn, you're good, Shy. Look at that.
Okay, so there's
All right.
one sushi roll. We got to put these in the fridge.
Put them in the fridge and in about 10 minutes, son. 15 minutes when we eat. OMG.
Set.
Good. Yum, yum, yum. Okay.
So,
You want us to finish them all up while you go watch TV? Because you want to watch TV, it looks like. No what?
no, I want to stay up.
Okay. That's pretty wild.
It's like face waste high gravity cake.
Trust me.
Only Maddox will know who that is. So if you send it to my dad, show Maddox face waste high gravity cake, like how crazy they are, and just 200 put them in the head, and he's gonna say all you ever think about is Fortnite.